How to fix Expedia cannot cancel flight. To fix an Expedia flight cancellation problem, you must first of all determine if the issue is software glitch or an airline policy restriction. If the cancel button is completely missing or throws an error on the Expedia Trips portal, try using the automated virtual chatbot on Expedia's Help Center, which can often force cancel tickets that the website cannot. So to access this panel, go ahead and launch the application or simply open any web browser of your choice, then head to the Expedia website. Once you're here, all you have to do is log into your account and tap on your account icon. From here, scroll downwards, you'll find help and feedback option. Once you're here in this panel, tap on this chat now option and then proceed to report a problem regarding cancellation of your flight. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.